Oh hey there, I'm Regular Jackson, and while filming the now critically acclaimed Nature Guide Jack video, our group, and mainly me, had a clusterfuck. One that was so gigantic and great that we decided that we needed to record it. And well, here it is.
Alrighty, today we lost a spoon to the trash can. We thought we were making a good video. When I done goofed up, dropped it, and instead of dropping it like that, it went in there to its final resting place with Jesus.
One second, please. We're dropping the knife and spoon again. All right?
Yep.